Now we will do another part of speech, that is the adverb. The adverb. The adverb. Now what is an adverb? An adverb is a word which modifies or adds to the meaning of a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Now it will tell us how a thing is done, when it is done, and where it is done. All this an adverb will tell us. So today we are going to do an adverb. Now the adverb has again 6 different kinds. So first we'll do what's an adverb, and then we will do the 6 different kinds of adverbs. They are adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of manner, adverbs of quantity. Then we have interrogative adverb. So we have 6 different kinds. First we will do an adverb, and then we will do all the kinds in detail. So what is an adverb now? An adverb is a word. An adverb is a word An adverb is a word. An adverb is a word which modifies or adds. Which modifies or adds. Modifies or adds to the meaning of a verb, adjective, or another adverb, or adds to the meaning of a verb, adjective, or another adverb, or another adverb. Now, what is an adverb? An adverb is a word which modifies or adds to the meaning of a verb, adjective, or another adverb. So it adds to the meaning of a verb, adjective, or another adverb. And that is what is an adverb is. Now let's look at few sentences. Examples of adverbs. First, she spoke. She spoke loudly. She spoke loudly. Sheetal is a very honest girl. Sheetal is a very honest girl. She reads quite clearly. She reads quite clearly. Clearly. Now, Let's look at each of these sentences and find out which word it modifies and adds meaning to verb, adjective, or another adverb. That's what we are going to look at. Okay. First of all, let's identify the adverbs. Okay. Now, in the first one, we have she spoke loudly. And in the second sentence, we have Sheetal is a very honest girl, very. And the third sentence we have, she read quite clearly. Not very clearly, but quite clearly. Now, these are the adverbs in the three sentences. Now let us look at which word modifies the meaning of adjective or adverb or verb. Okay. In the first one we have, she spoke loudly. So in the first sentence we have, she spoke loudly. Now we said loudly is an adverb. But what does it do? The word lovely modifies the verb. It modifies the verb spoke. So what does the loudly do? Modifies. Modifies the verb. The verb loudly. Okay, modifies the verb spoke. What is the verb here? In the first sentence we have, she spoke loudly. She is a verb. Loudly is an adverb. In the first sentence, loudly is an adverb and it modifies the verb spoke. And in the second sentence we have, Sheetal is a very honest girl. In the second one, the adverb is very. Second one, the adverb very. What does very do? The adverb very modifies the adjective. Adverb modifies the adjective honest. Modify the adjective. What is the adjective there? Honest. In the first sentence, we have the verb spoke. So, the adverb modifies the verb spoke. How? Loudly. In the second, we have, Sheetal is a very honest girl. So, the adverb very modifies the adjective. What kind? Honest girl. And in the third sentence, we have the adjective quiet. Not very clearly, quite clearly. And in this, quiet is the adverb, modifies the adverb clearly. It modifies the adverb. Modifies the adverb clearly. Now look, we are looking at, we said an adverb is a word which adds meaning to the verb. The verb, then adjective or another adverb. And that's what we are looking at now. An adverb is a word that modifies the meaning of a verb. That's the first one. So in the first sentence, she spoke loudly. And the verb here is spoke. So it modifies the adverb, modifies the verb spoke. So in the second one we have very is the adverb and it modifies the adjective honest. And the third one we have quiet is the adverb, but it says another adverb. Therefore, in the third sentence we have quiet is an adverb, but it modifies another adverb clearly. How does she read? She reads quiet clearly. Now I'll give you another sentence. She sings sweetly. She sings sweetly. Sings is the verb. Okay? So, sings is a, she sings sweetly. Sweetly is an adverb, so it modifies the verb sings. I'll give you another one. Now, here it says, Asha came yesterday. Came. Again, it is a verb, came. So, the yesterday, it modifies the verb came. Supposing I say, the sun shines everywhere. So, everywhere is an adverb. So, the word shines is a verb. So, everywhere modifies the verb shines. Now, in all these cases, what we are looking at is an adverb is a word which adds, modifies or adds meaning to a verb, adjective or adverb. In the first sentence, we have a verb spoke, and therefore the loudly is the adjective, modifies the verb spoke. In the second sentence, we have Sheetal is a very honest girl. The very is the adverb for us, and it modifies the adjective honest. What kind of girl? An honest girl. In the third, we have here another, it modifies the meaning of another adverb. And here you have quiet as an adverb, clearly is also an adverb. Therefore, quiet adverb modifies the adverb clearly. So we have adverb there. So, and now what we are going to look at is there are 6 kinds of adverbs. 6 kinds. And that's what we are going to do next. What are those 6 kinds we are going to look at? We have adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of manner, adverbs of number, and adverbs of quantity. And finally, we have interrogative adverbs. So we have 6 different kinds of adverbs.